All right, folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. What do we have here? We got a Sunbeam. Yeah, Sunbeam Alpine, 1967. I don't see these every day, that's for sure. This one is beautiful. A really nice shape. Remember the old Get Smart TV show? He drove one of these. Check out those slots on this car. A little bit bigger than the MG, I believe. Maybe I can fit in this. Trunk is amazingly roomy. Look at that, won't you? It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Another flip top gas cap. The body on this car looks good and solid. Like I said, I haven't put a magnet on it, but I just said it looks good and solid. See if I can get you a better look at this engine. I'm gonna say that's an aftermarket radiator and fan. Probably impossible to find an original radiator for this. Alright folks, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna go back to my car and take a little cool down break. There's a bunch of cars here still I haven't gotten, so we'll charge the battery up and me and the phone, and we'll be back out.